Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond 76 Home Decor on a budget, and for today's video we are not doing any budget. For today's video I am going to be doing two unboxings that I received from Louis Vuitton. Yes, they did come with a ribbon, and this is my fifth time filming this and I was not going to put the ribbon back on. But if you want to see what I have, then please keep on watching. Okay. As I just stated, I am going to be doing two unboxings, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the first one. I did have to sit kind of like at an angle because the lighting that I was sitting behind as I was recording the first four times, it kept blinking in and out. If that was annoying to me, that would be annoying to you. Now, the first piece, if you see me looking down, is because I have my notes in front of me and I want to make sure that I cover everything. So yes, as you can see, it is really small and it has a drawer, and I'm opening that up, and you probably already know what this is, and you can probably hear it. What I decided to get was the LV circle bag charm and key holder. Isn't that beautiful? It is made out, it has a gold brass finish, and it does have, let me make sure I show you the right way. Okay, it does have Louis Vuitton right here. This is also turnable. It also has a clasp right here on the where you can open it right here on the clasp. Easy to attach and take off from your bag. What I really love is the LV logo that is right here on the key charm. I also like the fact that it has where you can attach your keys if you want to. But I'm choosing not to put my keys on here because I have it's in the other room. I have a 6-ring key holder, so I won't be using that. I'm only going to be using this for decorations, okay? So yeah, that is this. And again, this is called the Louis Vuitton Circle Bag Charm and Key Holder. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to leave that out because I am going to attach it. Now let's go ahead and open this beautiful bag right here. Now really quickly, I just wanted something not big but kind of small. And let me tell you, I really have to give thanks to Zola Solis because she really helped me in deciding on what bags that I want. She asked me a lot of questions. I knew she was the right person to go to ask, to get her input on what I was looking for. She allowed me to look at bags in a different way that I never thought to look at them. So if it was not for Zola Solis, thank you so much, because she did pick out this bag the first time, and I said, and then we went to something else, I was like, but then I winded up coming back to this one, and I also went on YouTube, and that's something that we don't think about, is going on YouTube and looking up the item that we want to get a better idea of the item. So let me go ahead and open this up, and I just had to tell her thank you because I really appreciated her help and FaceTiming me and her on the computer and me on the computer. So yeah, it came with a dust bag, as Louis Vuitton items always do. And let me open it, and this is what I got right here. I chose to get the Siena PM, and I'm loving it. Okay, tell me this bag isn't for me. Okay, Zola knew this bag was for me, and I had to go back and listen to what she was saying. And okay, anyway. So what I really like about the bag, now let's get into the details. What I really like about this bag is the moon shape that is at the top of the bag. And what I also like about this bag is that, if I'm not mistaken, I'm thinking that the hardware on the front of the bag is also made from the gold brass finish. I could be wrong, but yeah, on the zipper it has Louis Vuitton, and then on this side it has Louis Vuitton. Wait a minute, on this side it has Louis Vuitton as well. And what I like about the uh, side of the bag right here is that, let me see if I can do it. It does look like the seams match up and kind of off, like right here, but that is okay. That is perfectly fine. I'm okay with that. Now let me give you the measurements of the bag before I say anything else. From here to here, the measurement of the bag is 11.8. From here to here, the height of the bag is 8.3, and the depth of the bag on the bottom from here to here is 4.7. And on the bottom, it does not have feet, but it does have the cross stitching that is on the bag. What I also like about the bag, as I just stated, is the pleats on the front and on the back. And as you have noticed that on the leather coated tab right here, it has Louis Vuitton right here. It also has 2 rivets on the front of the bag right here and right here. And it also says Louis Vuitton as well. Now on the back of the bag, it doesn't say anything. It's just clear. And I'm perfectly fine with that. That is perfectly okay. And back to the front of the bag, what I like about the handles is that the handles are coated. Okay, leather coated. And I love vachetta. I love the look of vachetta. But for my lifestyle, I cannot do vachetta. I really like that I can just pick this bag up and don't have to worry about taking this bag out in the rain or dealing with any kind of, worry about it getting wet or anything. So that is the reason why I chose the damier of bean print on this bag, because because the handles are treated. And what I also like about this this bag, it has the ring. I usually say D-ring, but I'm going to say rings on each side of the bag because it does have a strap. It does have the, it's kind of like a flap or it's right here. And I believe that if you're not careful, it will start to curl up. But it depends on how you handle your bag, and it's on this side as well. What I like about this bag as well is that the bag is kind of structured a little bit. It's so pliable, but it's, like a medium pliable. And I like that, so you don't have to worry about putting a base shaper in here or a bag organizer if you don't want to, but if you want to, you can. And let's go ahead and open up the bag. And on the inside, it does come with the adjustable and attachable strap. Okay. And on the inside, it has that textile red lining. You have a slip pocket, a big slip pocket on this side. And you have 2 slip pockets on this side right here, one here and one here. And that is the bottom of the bag. And what I'm also loving about this bag is that I can see on the inside of the bag. Now, from the reviews that I did see, this bag is comparable to a Speedy 25. And from the reviews that I did see, the reason why I wanted this bag is because the opening is a lot wider than on a Speedy 25. And that's what I really liked, so I can, really stick my hands in here. But like I said, I wanted something that wasn't too big or too small, because what I'm trying to do is go from small higher up, but I kind of went from small to big. Now I'm coming back in the middle because I do have the Neverfull MM and I do have the Saintonge bag, and that is a little bit smaller than this one. But I wanted something that I can just grab and go when I wanted to. And I'm going to tell you the strap drop in just a minute. Let me go ahead and put the strap on. Now on the straps, it does have Louis Vuitton on the front and on the back. Also with the clasp that is on here, easy to put on, easy to remove. And the strap again is adjustable. And what I really love about this strap right here is that this piece, when you do adjust it, it does come down, so you're able to adjust it like you want to. But what I also like about this piece, right here, if you can see me moving it, is that it fits right over the flap that is right here, and that's what I'm going to call it. And it'll keep it from curling up, because a lot of bags don't come with this piece right here. And then what winds up happening, the more you use the strap, the more it wants to curl up. So this will prevent it from curling up. And it is right now on the highest setting. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes in it. So you can adjust it again, like I just said. And let me go ahead and attach it. And I will give you the measurements of the strap on the highest setting. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the bag. Now I am going to show you some mod shots to show you how it looks on me, but from here to here, it is a 21.5-inch drop from here to here. And I didn't do I forgot to get the measurements for the handles right here, but let me give you an idea of what it looks like on me. Okay. And that's what it looks like. And if you want to carry it around your wrist or however you want to carry it, you can. Now, a quick side note with this bag right here. If you choose to leave the bag unzipped, from the reviews that I saw on this bag, now, if you hold it, okay, if you hold it like this, okay, you see that it is even. Over a period of time, if you have either not enough stuff in here or too much stuff in here, what's going to happen is that when you hold it, when you're holding it on your shoulder, it's going to start doing this. Okay, and that's something that you don't want your bag to do. It's going to start flopping open like that, which is natural because bags are going to do that, because if you don't have them zipped and you're carrying them on the shoulder, they are going to do that. Now, this bag is, like I said, it is a little bit more structured, but the thing of it is that after a period of time, if you leave it open, it's going to start doing that as well, from the reviews that I've seen. But it did not deter me from the bag at all. And on the front of the bag, it has Louis Vuitton Paris right here on this part right here. And I don't know if you can see that. And on the, let me see if I can see it, where it's made from. Okay, this bag was made in the USA, and that is perfectly fine as well. It's right here. I can't see the date code because it's right here. Wait a minute. The date code. Oh, it's in the pocket right here. You can see it right. I don't know if you can see it down there, but yeah. I really love this bag, and I think this bag is going to be absolutely perfect for me. And I looked at the MM size, and I think the MM would have been a little too big for me because I have the Neverfull, and I think this is going to be a perfect size for me. Yeah, and I want to make sure that there isn't anything else that, and I hope that I did tell you that this is in the Damier Ebene print. I'm so excited that I got ahead of myself. Yeah, so I'm really loving this bag. I really am. Yeah, that's it for, oh, and let me put on the charm so that way you can see what the charm looks like on the bag. And I'm going to put it right here. And that is what the charm looks like on the bag. And I'm loving it. And like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to include some mod shots at the end. And, you know, if you don't know too much about Louis Vuitton bags, this one is canvas, as you can hear. And you don't have to worry about it getting wet. Well, try not to purposely have it out in the rain, but... Again, my name is Diamond76 Home Decor on a Budget, and I hope that you enjoyed my video, my unboxing. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell for any video uploads or video notifications. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, join me at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will talk to you later.